So where do we start? We're gonna start with salad, yeah? So what do we have for the vegetables? We have onion, then we have bell pepper and tomato, and we're gonna grill that together with meat. So I'm gonna start with cutting bell peppers. Something like that. This part we don't need, so we're gonna throw it away. This part we can still use to grill. Just cut it like kind of big-ish. Okay, now we're gonna do the same to the other one. And yeah, I don't want seeds. Of course I don't want seeds. This is perfect. And this one is all big chunks. We don't need this part. Okay, that's enough of tomatoes for us. Okay, now the onion. We actually need big chunks of onion because we're gonna grill it, yeah? So I think this will be perfect. Like this. Okay, so this is done now. Now is the meat part. Meat, we actually bought too much meat. We bought 1 kilo of meat and we don't need this much meat. So we're not gonna use everything. We're gonna save some for later. But first we have to cut it. You know what? Let's just use everything because we're like 4 people. And the first thing I'm gonna do is to wash it. Wash it and check for like bones. When they cut bones, they can sometimes leave small bones fragments on the meat. So that's what we're trying to get rid of now. But yeah, there is no bones actually. It was really good cut. We're gonna have to cut it in smaller pieces. And actually this fat, I don't want it, so I'm gonna throw it away. I don't want anything that will be remotely chewy. I'm gonna cut it, not big chunks, because our sticks are kind of small. So yeah, I'm glad I'm not a fucking cooking show, because cooking show, they talk so much. Especially if you do it live, yeah? They have to like talk. And now we're gonna add spices. I'm gonna start with soy. 1, 2, yeah, probably 3. This much is probably okay. We're gonna add soy. And then I'm gonna add mirin. Why mirin and soy? Because I like the sauce that is called, I don't remember what, but this is what you need. And you also need one more thing. But we don't have that one more thing, so it's not gonna be that thing. Basically that's it. Some people add water, some people add wine to this. It's a Japanese sauce and also sugar, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go different route. We're gonna add kunir bubur. We're gonna add bubuk, kunir bubuk. This is turmeric. Oh fuck. Okay, we're gonna add turmeric. We like turmeric, right? No, we don't like turmeric. Fuck. We're gonna add garam masala. It's basically, I think it's 7 spices. Mustard, onion, garlic, salt, coriander, pepper, mustard. And now the light died. Fuck. We're gonna add garam masala. So it's like an Indian spice. And we also like paprika. Then we add in paprika, and then of course we like spicy food. So we're gonna add chili. This is a lot of chili. I think this is too much chili. It will be fine. And then we're gonna add one more ingredient. Rice flour. Rice flour! Because we want that nice coating on the outside. And then we need a bit of oil. This is normal cooking oil, like 2 tablespoons. Oh fuck, too much. 2 tablespoons too much. And then just a little bit of salt. That's it. Now we just have to blend this with our hands. It smells so good. Oh my god, this looks so good already. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is gonna go to the fridge now. And then we're gonna go and all the spices will get inside the meat and it will get marinated before we grill it. And then you just combine this with that on the stick and grill it. It's gonna be so good.